Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing my new PS Vita that I got from Amazon. I'm so excited, and let's just dive into this, shall we? And the reason why I got it off Amazon is because people have been using a lot of my affiliate links, and I get a lot of gift cards, and I use those to purchase extra gear for my setup or just buy stuff that I need around the house. And in this case, this month I purchased a PS Vita 2000, a slim model. Finally invested some money into a second system. That way I can experiment with any problems that people might have with the 2000 version. And I was hoping that the Vita 1000 would be the same as the 2000, just, a little bit more slimmer and everything would be the same. But unfortunately, that's not the case, because a lot of people have all sorts of issues. So I got this one for, let's see, $167 with free shipping, and this is a ported Japanese console. And it was listed as very good condition. So here's the charging, and I don't think this is an original. That looks aftermarket, and there's no PS logo on there. And this just came in time because I have another PS Vita 2000 sitting here from a subscriber, a viewer of mine, who sent it to me to do all sorts of work, but we're having issues with the SD2 Vita, so I'm going to be experimenting with this one, and hopefully we can get that all set up and troubleshoot any issues this one is having. Here is the cable. This is a micro USB cable, and I think that's about it for that. And let's see. So it came in this sort of dirty case, an original Sony PS Vita case. I'm really hoping that it's in good shape. And I got a white one, guys. Ooh. It's nice. It's kind of a cool bag. I don't know. Better than nothing, I guess. I don't have any cases for my consoles. I just have them here at home, and I play with them here. So, I don't really, especially right now, I don't really travel with them, and I wouldn't. Even if I was going like up north or going down south vacation to go see my wife's family, I wouldn't take my Vita just because I would be more focused on, spending time with the family. And this is in a weird plastic bag that I believe the seller, there we go. Man, this bag is, I'm trying not to scratch it with my knife. Okay, now it's starting to really get to me. There we go. Wow, look at that. Little thumbstick there is a little dirty, but overall, excellent shape. And the cameras do a very good job on picking up lighter colors. This is a really, really nice colorway. One of my favorites out of the Slims. Very good. And this is the 2000 right there. This is an import. There are a few scratches on the back, you can see there. No big deal. Very happy to finally get one of these, and I'm so excited. let's power it on and see what we got. But I'd like to adjust the camera so we're a little bit closer and it's not too awkward for me to hold it. There it is. It's beautiful glory. Let's power it on. Hopefully we get a charge. We got green lights. There's the Sony logo. And looks like it's been fully restored. So I'll go through this process real quick. Hint, finally done. And here we are. Let's see the firmware, and I believe it should be an older firmware, I hope. So this one is sitting on 3.63. Very good. So that is it for this one. It's really nice condition. Very happy with this one. And for that price, I'll take it all day long. And this colorway is, I don't know. What do you guys think? I was gonna go with the pink and white, or the white on pink, or pink on white. And I saw this one at a very good price, so I went with this. So please be on the lookout for more videos, especially on the 2000 version, where we're just going to focus specifically on this model, and that way we can solve any problems or issues you might be having with your PS Vita 2000. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care, and I will see you on the next one.